Hello, darlings. It's Melissa. Thank you so much for stopping by to see what great trainings we have in store with the Learning Technologies team. In this video, we'll walk you through how to utilize our training catalog, where we've housed a number of possible training topics to level up your practice. In the center table, you will see a number of possible training sessions organized by tool. These suggested sessions represent best practices and past trainings from LTT and our vendor partners. Use the sorting buttons on the right to help limit your search to your desired tool or audience. When you're ready to communicate your desired training opportunity, click the Training Request Form button to be redirected to our ITM Training Request page. Complete the form, giving as much detail as possible inside of the description box. Please make sure you mention the tool, session title, and event dates and times. You can also utilize this form to suggest any session or topic you would like training on that may not already be included in the catalog. Thanks again for stopping by to see what we have in store. We cannot wait to learn and grow together.